This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2018 Kubota SVL95-2S skid steer, similar to Caterpillar, Bobcat, John Deere, and more. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We ship anywhere inexpensively. Edge Equipment Sales sells and ships equipment all over North America and overseas. This skid steer has a 96 horsepower diesel engine with 4,160 hours and a 3,200 pound operating capacity. It has a hydraulic attachment coupler and pilot controls. This Kubota has heat and AC. It has 2-speed and a suspension seat, along with auxiliary hydraulics. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. There's normal wear and tear, no smoke or apparent leaks. Please contact us for more information. www